Are your resolutions slipping away? You're not alone. The new year brings promises but can deliver challenges too. As a small business owner, have you set ambitious goals? Growth is essential but often feels daunting. Why do resolutions fail? It's not you, it's how they're set. Connect to your why. Focus on the deeper purpose behind your goals. Instead of just aiming to gain customers, link it to something meaningful. This keeps your team engaged and motivated. Sometimes, goals need to be broken down. A massive resolution can overwhelm. Instead, target smaller, achievable milestones. Use SMART goals to guide you. Anticipate obstacles. Whether it's time constraints or expertise gaps, planning is crucial. Adjust your objectives as needed to stay on track. Celebrate even the small wins. Recognizing achievements keeps morale high and commitment strong. In 2025, make Ruby your trusted partner. We help thousands of small businesses achieve short-term goals effortlessly. Visit rubyreceptions.penguin.com or check our blog. Start your journey today.